Hi, this is Victor and welcome back to my math tutoring channel. In that video, we will solve that integral, which is integral of x sine square of x dx. Solving the problem, I will be using like three integral concept. The first concept, I'm gonna be using the trigonometric identities formula, the second one integration by part, and the third one trigonometric integration. So let's start by using the trigonometric identity formula. I will use the formula that said sine square of x is equal 1 minus cosine 2x divided by 2. So I will replace that sine square of x by this formula, which is equal 1/2 1 minus cosine 2x. So my integral become integral of x times 1/2 1 minus cosine 2x dx. And we know 1/2 is a constant. I can take it outside my integral. So it become 1/2 integral. And I will multiply this x with that parenthesis. So x times 1 is x, and x times minus cosine 2x is x cosine 2x, and all that dx. Now, because of that minus here, I can separate my integral into two integrals. The first one is 1/2 integral of x dx minus 1/2 integral of x cosine 2x dx. So the first integral here is very easy to solve. The 1/2 stays as 1/2, and integral of x is x squared divided by 2 plus c. So it becomes x squared divided by 4 plus c. So this I will highlight it, and I will ignore it for now, and I will add it at the end when I solve that part of my integral. So let's go to that part of that integral. So it is the minus 1/2 integral of x cosine 2x dx. And here again, I'm gonna be using integration by part. The formula for integration by part is integral of v du or u dv. U dv is equal at uv minus integral of v du. Okay? So let's take u and let's take dv. In that case, I will take u, let u equal to x. So my du is equal to dx, and let dv is equal to cosine 2x dx. So my v is equal to integral of cosine 2x dx. Again, here if I take u is equal to x, my du is equal to dx. Let's do it. Let's call it w here. Let w equal to x. So my dw equal 2 dx. So my dx is equal 1/2 dw. So my v become integral of cosine w multiplied by dw divided by 2. Divided by 2, I take it outside my integral. So my v is equal 1/2 cosine w dw, and we know that the integral of cosine x is sine x. So my v become 1/2 sine, but instead of saying w, I'm gonna say, because my w is equal to x, right away we'll save one step, 2w, and that is my v here, and this is my u du, and that is my dv here. So let's highlight them. So this is my u dw, this is my dv, and this is my v. So let's apply that formula here, integration by part. So minus 1/2 integral of x cosine 2x dx is equal, I will keep the minus 1/2, I have to keep it. And now u times v, we said, u times v, my u is equal x, and my v is equal 1/2 sine and this is x here. My w was 2x. Sine 2x minus integral of v, which is 1/2 sine 2x, and my du is dx. So we're close to solve it now. This part here is done. I don't have to do anything. I have to solve that part here. So the 1/2 goes outside that integral. You know, let's highlight it in a different color. Let's take that color. White. I have to choose it here then. So because this I will copy it at the end, and we said this we will copy it at the end. So now let's work with that part here. So 1/2 goes outside the integral, so minus 1/2 sine of 2x dx. Again, here I let u equal to x. My du is equal my 2 dx, so my dx is equal du divided by 2. So it becomes minus 1/2 integral of sine u multiplied by du divided by 2. So the divided by 2 would go outside, is equal minus 1/4 integral of sine u du. And we know that the integral of sine is minus cosine. So it is equal minus 1/4 cosine and minus here cosine of u, but we know that u is equal to x plus c here. So minus times minus become plus. So it is equal 1/8 cosine 2x plus c. Here I made a mistake. This is 1/8 here, because when we said du divided by 2, no, it's not a mistake. I know where I went wrong. Let's delete this. This is 1/4. I have the 1 minus 1/2 that I have to multiply everything with it. So this is over 4 here. Okay. So let's go back. I have, because here I have to close it here, yeah, because 1/2 is multiplied by all that. So the first, I have to write x2 divided by 4, which is 1/4 of x2. So it is equal 1/4 of x to the power of 2 minus 1/2 multiplied by x times 1/2 sine of 2x, and then minus sine of 2x like that, minus, and then I have the minus here, which I forgot to put it here, minus 1/4 cosine of 2x and plus c. So let's fix our mess out. So my integral of x sine square of x dx is equal 1/4 x square, and this is minus 1/4 x sine of 2x, and this is minus times minus is plus, times minus is minus, and 1/2 multiplied by 1/4 is 1/8 cosine of 2x plus c, and that would be the answer. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. That would help me tremendously, and if you push the like button, I would really appreciate it. Thank you for listening.